Hi, my name is Darrell. I'm a mapping specialist focusing on mapping large area. I'm from Pi X Ventures PLT, Malaysia. In this video, we will go through an end-to-end process to map a large area. Plan, capture, process, validate, apply, and deliver. Step 1. Plan missions and routes. Define the boundary for the block and generate routes that cover the entire area efficiently. Plan checkpoint locations on a map, distributed across the site for later accuracy validation. Step 2. Now we can deploy equipment on the site. First and foremost, a base station needs to be deployed away from a checkpoint and launch pad, and then can be connected to M400 to achieve a centimeter accuracy for the output. In an environment where internet access is available, calibrate the base station with custom Network RTK. Otherwise, you may extract .obs file from D-RTK trees storage for PPK processing to get the corrected coordinate for your base station. Once base station has been calibrated and connected to M400, deploy it together with M4D and L3 on site for an airborne relay supported mission. L3 captures LiDAR and RGB mapping data in one workflow, built for large area deliverables. For long distances, M400 supports airborne relay function with M400 and M4D to maintain a stable link and reduce frequent relocations. Step 3. Process the database in DJI Terra. Firstly, import your data. Secondly, ensure your data are in fixed status either through PPK or RTK. Lastly, import your checkpoint for accuracy check. L3 can capture data for both DOM and DEM in a single flight, improving efficiency. Generate key outputs, point cloud, DEM and DOM for further analysis. Generate the DJI Terra quality report to confirm data quality before delivery. Step 4. Apply and deliver through the ecosystem. Use QGIS for cartography and map deliverable. With this workflow, capturing data for 1,000 hectares can be completed in 2 hours instead of 2 days with older models. Airborne relays reduces relocations. DJI Terra output, backed by a quality report, connect directly to real planning and delivery.